guys, welcome back to my channel. It's BENITA GALORE. How y'all doing? Here with a new video. Girls and guys, we got something new and something fun to discuss. I got a new package. I got a new package and it is here. And it's lit, guys. I'm not happy because I'm so excited that I was able to get this. So yeah, got a new video. Got a new box. Don't want to show my address. So yeah, this is an unboxing video on Louis Vuitton sandals that I got, specifically the Bom flat Mule. So this is a unboxing with me video. So here it is. And here we go. Tape is off. So here we go. Here is the box, Louis Vuitton signature golden box with the dark blue / black lettering. And it's like one of these pull open boxes. So we'll pull them open. Got my certifications for the actual articles. Thank you for shopping with Louis Vuitton. Your product has been crafted by experienced artisans with exclusive materials. To learn more about preserving your item, please access louisvuitton.com/blah blah. Please visit us again online or at the Louis Vuitton store. So that's number one. Exchanges and returns. Not exchanging or returning this. Too fire. The return label, all of that good stuff. Oh, beautiful body. He's so sweet. I'm just so happy. Sorry guys, I'm like not cheesy for no reason. Got my gift receipt in case I was returning this. Yeah, no. So all of that came in that package. Here are the shoes in 2 separate dust bags. So we will be showing these beautiful babies. Okay, so I got the Bom flat Mule. So beautiful. Oh my god, like you can see the craftsmanship. Wow, how beautiful guys. Like wow, these straps are to die for. Okay, so let's go over the specs of it. So these are patent monogram canvas, Anatomic leather outsole, made in Italy, of course, because Louis Vuitton, come on. The insole has Anatomic FAQZZ for comfort. These are 2 adjustable straps, gold tone, and they have, as you can see, they are 3 holes. And on, let's get into the detailing. So you see the monogram print with the authentic leather around it. On the backing, the material is softer leather, as you can see. Here's the buckling. This is a gold tone buckling, so we can undo these as you see, and if you wanted to adjust the strapping, you can. I'm gonna leave on the second one that it was on already for comfort. It is a beautiful, beautiful shoe. So this shoe retails online for about $860 plus tax. Don't know the exact price after taxes, but before taxes it is $860. Now the shoe is really beautiful, comfortable. It reminds me of the Birkenstock you know, shape of the shoe. I feel like this is a beautiful summer shoe. Summer and, you know, late spring when it does start to get hot. Beautiful to show off your feet. Online, a lot of the times sizes are sold out, so you should sign up for the notify me when available to get them. I think they're very popular shoes, so people will buy them, you know, very often, and they don't make a lot of the shoes. I'm not too sure what the scenario is with that, but when I was trying to get the shoe online, it showed that it was out of stock, so I signed up for notify me, and like a week later they were available to buy and purchase. So, you know, I did that purchase. Beautiful shoe. Can be paired with summer dresses, jeans, skirts, jumpsuits, anything. Honestly, I feel like it's a very universal shoe, and I like that I got this color because this color is very dark. Browns go with a lot more colors than a pink, or white goes with a lot of things, but it's like you can't wear white all throughout the year. Now there are different designers who have the same shoe as this. For example, Fendi also came out with their mule, flat mule type of shoe, and that one I know retails for $750 instead of $860, which this one retails for. Now with that one, it's a beautiful shoe. I will insert a picture here. It's a beautiful shoe. It's just that I went with this one because of the fact that both of the straps are adjustable. For Fendi, only the bottom half is adjustable, not the top. So I feel like a European cut shoe, it all depends on the cut of the shoe. So sometimes it's too small, it's too narrow, and it's like if you get the Fendi one and you're stuck with it, or like if you get a size up, it's too big, a size down is too small, and if you're just in the middle, you can't adjust this for, you know, wider feet, which I have wide feet, so I wanted a shoe that I could adjust to fit my foot. So that's why I went with Louis Vuitton's version of their mule. I feel like it's such a beautifully crafted shoe, honestly. We're in COVID-19, so I hope that it doesn't last so long so I can be able to wear my shoes and really show them off. And they come with 2 dust bags, of course, to hold your shoes. It says for product care, please stay away from alcohol. It says stay away from water, stay away from different perfumes and things that could stain the shoe. I'm sure that at the Louis Vuitton store, they can fix your shoe if anything happens. They do have a craftsman on site, so they can fix your shoe for you or send it out. I'm not too sure. I think it depends on what shoe that you have. I don't know about the shoe, if they fix this on site or do you have to get it sent out or something like that. I'm not sure. But yeah, like if you just see, like it's just clean. I love brand new shoes, and especially Louis Vuitton's, like when you first get a red bottom, the whole red is just pure red, and it's like crystal, like I don't know, candy red, like beautiful. But yeah, this shoe is so beautiful. Anyone who is debating on if they should get this shoe, please run out and get it. I will leave the link below directly to this shoe. And yeah guys, I'm really satisfied with this purchase. It is beautiful. This is added to my shoe collection of designer shoes, which I want to grow. I like flat shoes. I'm not into the heels per se, because it is European cut, so they are a lot narrowed, and my feet aren't narrow, so it's like I love this. This is perfect for me. I'm okay with this. I would do this. I would rock this, no problem at all. So yeah, this is literally the shoe. I'll show them side by side. I'm not even gonna put them away. Let me show them side by side so you guys can see. Right. So these are them together. This is front. This is side. Side by side. Beautiful shoe. Very, very nice. And yeah, this fits perfect. I tried them on off camera and they are so beautiful. I feel like they are the perfect shoe for someone like me who doesn't wear heels all the time but does still want to have some type of luxury to my shoe collection. And this is it. These are it. I feel like the first higher end, I don't feel like it's, I mean, to some it is luxury, but I have Tory Burch sandals, and that was like my first not flip-flop, Old Navy sandal, rainbow, whatever you get sandals from. But yeah, I feel like this is gonna go up from here, guys. Like I love them so much. They can be paired with a million and one things, but these are them, guys. You got it from me first. If you get them, make sure you mention me. Benita put you on to the new trip. But yeah, this is them. And that's my thumbnail, if I could even get it. Or should this be my thumbnail? Let me. This is a better thumbnail. Yes. So corny. But yeah, so I do want to make more videos like this showing you guys, you know, all my purchases that I felt were purchasable and I feel like you guys should look into. But yeah, these are the Boom Dia Flat Mules by Louis Vuitton. Cop your pair. Try to get them $860 for taxes. Yeah, there you go, guys. And I will see you in my next video. These are my new babies. I love y'all.